Yeah, hi. So, our today's self-test is for grade 9 coordinate geometry. So, before moving on with this self-test, let us go through coordinate a little bit. Okay, so this is a graph you can see. For this particular graph, we are having is equals to we are having the y-axis, which is x equals to 0. We are having the x-axis, which is y equals to 0. So we are having the point origin, which is at 0, 0. And let us have a point P, whose coordinate is 2, 3. Okay. Yeah. So you can see, I just have drawn the x-axis, y-axis, the origin. So the point P, this is the point P. You can give it a little P, which is 2, 3 point. Okay. Yep. Now here, for this particular point P, its distance from x-axis, is actually its y-coordinate. That means 3 units. You can say its distance from x-axis is actually 3 units. Okay. And its distance from y-axis is x-coordinate. That means 2 units. Okay. Now here we are at, in case of Cartesian coordinate system, we divide the whole plane into 4 parts, like by this horizontal lines. So here the 4 parts are called 4 quadrants, right? So this is the first quadrant, where the point 2, 3 is there. If I give a point, say q equals to -3, 5. So this is the point which is in the second quadrant, -3, 5. Here x is negative, y positive. Now again, if I come to the third quadrant, so there, say my point is -5, -2. So this is a point in the third quadrant, which is -5, -2. And if I give a point in the fourth quadrant, it would be like, say the point is this one, x4, y -3. So this is a point in the fourth quadrant. Okay. So it is evident in the first quadrant both the points are positive. In the second quadrant, x negative, y positive. Third quadrant, both the points are negative. Fourth quadrant, x positive, y negative. Distance from x-axis, it will be the y-coordinate. Distance from y-axis, it will be the x-coordinate. Okay. So these are the basic ideas we needed from coordinate system. Now let us come to our self-test. Now in the self-test, you can see the first question is the point 3, 4 is at a distance of dash from y-axis. it is at some distance from y-axis. That means distance from y-axis means the x-coordinate. So here the x-coordinate is 3. So 3 will be the answer, 3 units. A is the answer. Second one is, which of the following is the ordinate of the point? 7 minus 2. See, when we are giving x comma y coordinate of any point, here x is called the abscissa, y is called the ordinate. Now here it is asking about the ordinate. So which one is the ordinate? Minus 2. So B is the answer. Third one, the point 4 minus 3 lies in which quadrant? X positive, like here what happens? First quadrant plus plus, second it become minus plus, x negative y positive, third minus minus, fourth plus minus. So here the point is plus minus, that means it is in the fourth quadrant. And the easiest way to remember this is the first quadrant, it is actually enclosed by these two lines. This is the positive of x, this is the positive of y. In the second quadrant, it is enclosed by these two lines, negative of x line and positive of y line. So that's why minus plus. In the third quadrant, you can see it is enclosed by two lines. One is the negative of x, another one is the negative of y. That's why minus minus. And the fourth one, it is positive of x, and along with that one, positive of x, negative of y. So that means plus minus. So plus minus point, it lies in the fourth quadrant. First, second, third, fourth quadrant. Now the fourth question. The point 0, 3 lies on what? See, 0, 3, x equals to 0. X equal to 0 means it lies on y-axis. So this is the point 0, 3. x0, y3. Okay. And as because here 3 is positive, so it's lying on the positive y-axis. So C will be the answer. Fifth one. The x-coordinate is also known as what? As I said, the x-coordinate is the abscissa, y-coordinate we call it ordinate. So x-coordinate is known as the abscissa. Okay, so this is it for today. I'll come with cell test 2 very soon.